What are Chivas? How a Kathmandu group is protecting and restoring their monuments. First things first, Chiva, chaitya, and stupa are all words for the same thing. Chiva is the Newari language name, chaitya is used in the Nepali language, and stupa comes from Sanskrit and is more commonly used by non-Nepalis. Nepal is an ethnically diverse country, and the Newar people are a prominent ethnic group in the Kathmandu Valley. Much of the architecture thought of as Nepali is, in fact, specifically Newari. Newari cultural and linguistic roots lie in Tibet, and Newars were traditionally Buddhist. Chivas are Newari shrines erected in memory of a deceased family member. Because they were erected in public places, they became sites of devotion for the whole community. Some Chivas are enormous, like the Swayambhunath Stupa, called the Swayambhunath Mahachaitya in Nepali, while others are tiny. Most are about 6 feet high. They're made of stone, brick, or clay and feature carved statues of the Buddha and various Bodhisattvas and divinities. Carved inscriptions, usually in Ranjana lipi, the script used to write the Newari language, on or beside a Chiva usually provide some information on its history, such as who it was made by and when. The oldest Chivas are around 1,600 years old, dating back to the Likavi period that began in the 5th century. There was a revival in Chiva construction in the 17th century, so many that can still be found today date from this period or after. Chivas are still made today, but they're more commonly found in private homes or semi-private courtyards shared by several households. Chivas are a living part of history and the present. As Amar Tolader, secretary of the CCO, put it, for me, preserving Chivas is like preserving the values and identity of the indigenous residents of the valley. Courtesy of Chiva Chaitya Organization.